Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation. 12 raised to the power of x minus 4 equals to 4 raised to the power of x minus 4. Solution: 12 raised to the power of x minus 4 equals to 4 raised to the power of x minus 4. In division law of indices, we have a raised to the power of m minus n can be expressed as a raised to the power of m all over a raised to the power of n. If this holds, we can express 12 raised to the power of x minus 4 as 12 raised to the power of x all over 12 raised to the power of 4 equal to 4 raised to the power of x all over 4 raised to the power of 4. Then we move further. We have to put numbers to one side and the power of x to one side. 4 raised to the power of 4 will become the numerator of the left hand side, while 12 raised to the power of x will become the denominator of the right hand side. It's still the same when we cross multiply. So we continue. We have 4 raised to the power of 4 all over 12 raised to the power of 4 equal to 4 raised to the power of x all over 12 raised to the power of x. Since the powers are equal in the left hand side, we can express this to be 4 all over 12 all raised to the power of 4, which is equal to 4 all over 12 all raised to the power of x. If we compare both sides, the brackets are equal, meaning the brackets, we cancel brackets, that is the base, while the powers are equal, 4 equal to x as the answer. Then we have another method of doing this type of question. If we have 12 raised to the power of x minus 4 equal to 4 raised to the power of x minus 4. Another way of doing this, we take everything to one side of the equal to sign. It becomes 12 raised to the power of x minus 4 all over 4 raised to the power of x minus 4 equal to 1. When we cross multiply, we still get back the original equation. We can express the left hand side to be 12 over 4 all raised to the power of x minus 4 equal to 1. 4 can cancel 12. We have 3 raised to the power of x minus 4 equal to 1. Now we want to express 1 in base 3. In law of indices, we have any 10 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. If this holds, 3 raised to the power of 0 will become 1 equals to 3 raised to the power of x minus 4. When we compare both sides, the base, we cancel base, left with x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we collect like terms, numbers to one side, meaning x equal to 0. When minus 4 crosses sign of equality, it becomes plus 4. X equals to 0 plus 4 gives us 4. So our answer is the same with the first one. So our answer is 4. Now we want to check if our answer is correct. Now to check if our question is correct, we write check. We write down the original equation, which is 12 raised to the power of x minus 4 equals to 4 raised to the power of x minus 4. We put s equal to 4. Wherever we see s, we put 4. We have 12 raised to the power of 4 minus 4 equals to 4 raised to the power of 4 minus 4. Now we have 12 raised to the power of 4 minus 4 gives us 0 equals to 4 raised to the power of minus 4 minus 4, which gives us 0. And in law of indices, whenever we have n raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. If this is true, 12 raised to the power of 0 is 1, and 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Then 1 is equal to 1. Our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.